So I'll start the video with number 8. My 8th favourite thing I did this year on YouTube would have been my 100 subscriber canoe party. We took the canoe out with some balloons in the surf. It was a great blast. Number 7 was my record vise. This was a huge vise, the biggest vise I could get. Number 6 was suspended garage shelves. This was a great project. I managed to free up so much space in the workshop. That really helped prepare for all the future projects I'm going to be doing. Number 5 was the 0% range test on the Nissan EMV 200. That was fantastic, being able to make it all the way and see what happens after 0%. That was that was my moment of discovery, to find out what happens at 0%. Number 4 was my supboarding fix. That was a brilliant project. After breaking the supboard, I thought that was it and I'd never be able to get it back again. But yeah, after I repaired it, I'm so pleased I was able to repair it. I learned a lot about how to do it, and I like the way that you could see it being damaged, and you can see the repair. So I enjoyed doing that. Number 3 was my workbench. Oh, this bench has got so much storage inside it, and I think being able to organise everything I have inside the bench is really important. One thing I would change on that would be to put a recess inside so that I could actually stand up. And my second favourite was the homemade bobsleigh. This was a brilliant project. It took so much work just to get it to move and to go downhill. Making it the day before the snow, so I wasn't sure it was actually going to happen, but we did get the snow and it was so worth taking it out. And hopefully this year I'll make a modification to it to put an electric drivetrain, so like a drill, possibly with a belt and a large wheel, so we can go along on the flat, and it should make it a lot easier to get back uphill. So I look forward to that. So number 1, my favourite would have been my amphibious sailing boat. Being able to drive on land off the water, that was the objective. Being able to go from the sea to land as quickly as possible. That's what I wanted to do, and I managed to do that. I hope next year is going to be more of the same, and we're going to go bigger and better. So make sure you subscribe and join us for the ride. Thanks for watching.